With an airplane is taking off. Hi everybody, Jeremy Solt here in northern Utah. What we got is the brand new B-25 1600 millimeters of awesome right here. What we're going to do is we're going to do the maiden flight. This is not flown. The only thing we've done is take about 30 minutes to assemble this airplane. And now what we're going to do is we're going to get it in front of you guys for the first flight, and we'll see where it goes from there. All right, everybody, here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo, that's gobs of power. I think I could have had my, I had my rudder in high rate. We're going to get it nice and slow so you can capture this airplane nice and easy. Bring it back towards us for a nice full pass. I have done zero trimming yet, but it looks like I need just a little bit of nose up. Slight nose up. So what does that mean? That means that with my battery that I got in there, I've got a 6S5 5200 Gens Ace in this. Get that little bit of nose up. Just a couple clicks of left. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Let's do a forward pass. This deserves a forward pass already. Well, I've got the timer set for 5 minutes. Most of these warbirds are pretty awesome for time. Oh, look at that. Full power. Look at that, just climb out. I'm 45 in it and going. We're doing an aileron roll with it. Dude. Show the power. It is going for an elevator loop. Throttle off, roll it around. This has got gobs of power. This has got overkill amount of power. I'm at throttle off, the thing is still rocking pretty good. Alright, so I fly flight mode, so I'm going to set up a half flap now. 50% throttle right there. Flaps at half. Climbing pretty good, so that's alright. Just a little bit of climbing. Alright. Wants to climb a little bit in the turns. Not too much. We're going to bring the gear down. And we're going to hit the full flaps. The landing gear takes just a little bit. There's a delay with the doors and all that. That's pretty decent amount. There we go. With full flaps there. We're nice and dirty. The airplane is going into almost a high alpha hill. So I'm going to trim that down just a little bit. Let's do a touch and go with this airplane. We're going to continue flying the timer out. Let's see how it handles this approach. Nice and easy. I've got just a slight little bit of left, or sorry, right roll. Alright, we are sitting at about 40, maybe 30% throttle. Let's fly this in. Up and out. We got 1 minute and 54 seconds left. Flaps up, gear going up. Let's do a speed pass with this. You ready? Here we go. Full throttle out there. Climb, we're going, maybe 200 feet right there, rolling out. Bring her back, throttling off. I know they're not supposed to do that, but we're going to. Just aileron rolls there. I actually cut the power on the last one just to see how it would handle in a decel with ailerons. Alright, let's get that gear back down. We're showing 1 minute on here. Let's do another Let's do another approach. Gears down. Nice little wheelie landing right there. Oh, she's great. We're gonna flip around. We're gonna take back off the opposite way, and then we're gonna land one more time. Since we still show 41 seconds on our 5 minutes. I love the sound of those props. They're sitting so well. They're very harmonic. Really again. She does great. She sits real nice. Nice job. I'd say this is a good old 10 out of 10 right now. Solid airplane. Alright, so let's see if I got a battery checker in here. Looks like I need a 2. Let this pull over and we'll check the battery real quick. Right there so you can see without a shadow going on the airplane. Throttle cuts on, as we learned earlier we needed to have. Alright. Oh, so excuse me, I had a China Hobby Line battery in here, 6S5000, 65C. And I still have 59% on there. 3.8, 3.8, 3.8, 3.9, 3.8, 3.9. So we're just right there, perfect. Again, can you see that? 57%. Don't know if you can see that or not. And that was 5 minutes. I still got 16 seconds on the timer. Can you see that? Wow, pretty efficient. So what do we get out of this? We get that this airplane is super efficient and great flying plane, flies awesome. So all right, everybody, I apologize, I forgot one great feature about this airplane, so let's take a look at this. 3, 2, 1. And the bombs all went in nice and easy, straight down the runway.